Welcome to the GDSN LearnBite series. These LearnBite sessions cover the following topics such as how do I interpret the CIC messages I am receiving, how to address common GDSN attribute challenges, how can OneWorld assist me with syncing data with GHSC-PSM, and how to navigate OneWorld's GDSN portal. You can find the installments on our website as well as OneWorld's landing page. If you have any questions regarding this material, please reach out to your Global Standards contact, your data pool provider, or at datasync@ghsc-psm.org. Today we will discuss how to interpret CIC messages. We will walk through what CIC messages are and why they are important, as well as CIC message types and their respective meanings. So what are CIC messages and why are they important? CIC stands for Catalog Item Confirmation. These are messages that are generated by the data recipient in order to inform the data source the status of the GTINs within the Catalog Item Notification, or CIN, that was published as a result of a subscription or publication match. CIC messages are important because these messages inform the supplier the status of the published GTIN in the GDSN. There are 4 types of CIC messages: review, accept, reject, and synchronized. GHSC-PSM only uses the review and synchronized CICs to communicate feedback to suppliers. The synchronized CIC message is one of the 2 CICs that GHSC-PSM sends to suppliers as feedback. It indicates that GHSC-PSM has received your published item and the published data was linked to an item in the GHSC-PSM catalog. 2 examples of how a synchronized CIC message might appear in your GDSN portal are pictured on the right-hand side. However, the synchronized CIC message does not indicate that the message has been reviewed for completeness or accuracy. After you receive a synchronized CIC message, please await further instructions from GHSC-PSM on publications or attribute accuracy analysis. If and when item master data changes, please be sure to publish a new message with these updates in a timely fashion as part of the GDSN best practices. The review CIC message is the second CIC that GHSC-PSM sends to suppliers as feedback. An example of how a review CIC message might appear in your GDSN portal is pictured on the right. Depending on the data pool provider that you work with, the status of this message may appear as waiting to synchronize. The review CIC message indicates that GHSC-PSM received your published item, but the GTIN was not linked to an item in the GHSC-PSM catalog. This could be due to the fact that if GTINs are not populated in our catalog first, then GDSN messages will not synchronize. If you believe this to be an error, please reach out to GHSC-PSM at datasync@ghsc-psm.org to resolve what might be causing the synchronization issue. If the item is not currently procured by GHSC-PSM, then no action is necessary. But if the item is procured in the future, then the message must be republished to GHSC-PSM in the GDSN. If you have additional questions, please reach out to datasync@ghsc-psm.org. The additional resources mentioned here can be found on our website and have web links provided in the description of this video. We thank you for joining us during this GDSN LearnBite session and hope this has been useful to you and your team in reaching GS1 GDSN compliance.